go to the first chapter in geometry. The name of the chapter is Basic Concepts in Geometry. Now first of all, let us go to coordinates of points and distance between 2 points. When we are talking about the distance between 2 points, here we are referring to a number line, and first we see how we find the coordinates of points, and using these coordinates of points, how we find the distance between 2 points on a number line. So here you see a number line. Now when we have a number line, you will remember and recall that always in a number line, in the center portion, you will have the number 0 marked, and to the right hand side of 0, you will have positive numbers, and to the left hand side of 0, you have negative numbers. Now you will see different alphabets written above some of these numbers. Okay, so when I say coordinate of this point Q is the number which is written below it. So coordinate of point Q is -3. Or if I say coordinate of point O, it is the number written below it, which is 0. Coordinate of point T is the number written below it, which is 4. So let us complete this now here. We have coordinate of point P is the number written below it, therefore it is 2. Coordinate of point S is the number written below it, which is 3. Coordinate of point Q is the number written below it, which is -3. Coordinate of point T is the number written below it, which is 4. And coordinate of point R is the number written below it, which is -1. And lastly, coordinate of the point O is the number written below it, which is 0. Okay, so these are the different coordinates of point. Now using these coordinates, we find the distance between 2 points. Now to find the distance between the points, let us say I have taken the example P and T. We need to use the coordinate of point P and the coordinate of point T. So when I have to find the distance between the points P and T, now every time we won't write a long sentence to find the distance between the points P and T. How is it denoted as distance, that is D, between the points will be written in bracket, which are the points P and T, and between P and T we put a comma. So when I write like this, D in bracket P comma T, it is denoting the distance between the points P and T. Now I told you to find the distance between these points P and T, we need to use the coordinates of P and T. The coordinate of P is 2, coordinate of T is 4. Now among these two coordinates, we have to see which of the coordinate is greater than the other. We know that 4, okay, we have here T and this is P. So among these two, 4 is greater than 2. So I can write here, we know that 4 is greater than 2. Now why have we written this? We will understand when we find the distance. So we know that 4 greater than 2. Therefore distance between the points P and T is 4 minus 2. Say suppose this number was bigger than this. So then I would write this first and then write the greater sign and then write the other number, and then it would be this number minus this number. Now since 4 is greater than 2, therefore distance between the points P and T is 4 minus 2. That is the bigger number minus the smaller number. 4 minus 2 is 2. Therefore distance between the points P and T is 2. Then also we have length of PT. What is length of PT? Is the length of this distance between P and T. Okay, how much is this distance? That is length PT. Length PT will be the same as the distance between the points P and T. So length of PT is also equal to 2. Now what is the difference between writing distance between the points P and T and length of PT? You see here, when I write distance between the points P and T, I am putting a comma between the two alphabets. But when I write length PT, I just write PT, I don't put a comma there. So length of PT is equal to 2. But in both the cases, do you see the answer is same, it is 2. So I can say that distance between the points P and T is equal to length of PT, which is equal to 2. Let us take one more example. Distance between the points R and Q. So when we have to find the distance between 2 points, I have to find the coordinates of those points. Now what are the coordinates? R and Q we said, right? So that means here the coordinate of Q is -3. The coordinate of R is -1. Now I have -3 and -1. Among -1 and -3, which of the coordinate is greater? So you must remember, when two coordinates are there and both are having the negative sign, the number with the smaller number will be greater than the bigger number. That is, here -1 is greater than -3. In positive numbers, what happens? 3 is greater than 1. But when there are negative numbers, you must remember that the smaller number with the negative sign is greater than the bigger number with the negative sign. Okay, so here we'll see the question, the distance between the points R and Q. This is denoted as D in bracket R, comma Q. We know that, what did we say just now? -1 is greater than -3. So distance between the points R and Q will be -1 minus the second coordinate. Second coordinate also is minus, so we put it in bracket -3. So this will be -1. Minus into minus is plus. So we have +3. So what is the answer? -1 plus 3. Sign of the bigger number is plus. So your answer also will be plus. So we don't have to write plus sign. If I directly write the number, it means it is plus. 3 minus 1 is 2. So therefore the answer is 2. So distance between the points R and Q is also 2. Then if I am finding length of RQ, we saw here also distance between the points P and T and length of PT is the same. So here also distance between the points R and Q and length of RQ will be the same, which is 2. So we can say distance between the points R and Q is equal to length of RQ, which is equal to 2. Can we confirm it? We'll look at the points R and Q. What is the distance between them? 1 unit and 2 units. So therefore the distance is 2. This distance between the points P and T, here there is 1 unit and then 2 units. So the distance between the points P and T is 2 units.